Steve Magnante here at High Octane Classics in Auburn, Massachusetts with arguably, well, the car that started the pony car trend. Some say the Plymouth Barracuda arrived about a month or so before the Mustang. Well, they call them pony cars because it's a reference to a horse. In other words, the Ford Mustang, the first of the breed, really. But here's the thing. This is a 2+2, a fastback. And of the 681,000 Mustangs built in 1965 model year, you'd think that these would be the majority. They're so popular today, the fastbacks. Everybody wants one. Well, check this out. Only 1 in 9 was a fastback. The majority of those cars were the hardtop or the convertible. So this actually was one of only 77,079 built in 1965 model year. The fastback, the 2+2 was the least popular. Crazy, but true. Now, they're as hot as a ragtop, easily. Now this one here, you can see here it has the classic Ford styling up front with the horse in the corral. And again, if you own a 65 GT 350 Shelby, this is gone. But again, less is not more. That is a classic, beautiful design. The running horse running to the left or to the right, as it were, from inside of the car. But just a beautiful design. Let's take a peek under the hood and see what we find. Oh, here we go. Yeah, 289. Now, this one has a C in the 5th spot, so it was a 289 two-barrel car. It's been upgraded with an Edelbrock aluminum dual-plane 4-barrel intake manifold with a small Holley 4-barrel carburetor. The cast iron exhaust manifolds are still there, which is fine, nothing wrong with that. No air conditioning added, that's okay too. It does have a Shelby GT 350 style cowl brace, this puppy right here, which is certainly no negative thing at all. The Monte Carlo bar is here. Again, these things are both specific to a Shelby, but you can buy them reproduction today. They help the car handle better. This does have a dual circuit master cylinder right here with a power booster. Now that's the tip-off to the 4-wheel disc brake upgrade this car has been given. That's fine. Discs were available on the front of a Mustang in '65, but not at the back. Well, this one has them all the way around. Again, we see here some Magnum 500 type wheels. These are a little bit later, but that's okay. These are a classic add-on. Disc brakes up front. Good to see it. And discs in the back as well. So you might call this one a day 2, mild restoration. Inside, let's take a peek at the door. And on the end of the door is the data tag, and we see right here, paint J, Rangoon red. So this was originally red. It's not been resprayed. It's a factory red Mustang. So that's kind of nice. Inside has the C4 automatic with the center console and an AM FM radio, I believe, there, but just a nice, original presentation inside. Nothing wrong with that. And bucket seats, of course, standard equipment in the Mustang. And there's that 2+2 rear area with the seat folded down for storage. You can put a lot of stuff in the back. And again, the 2+2 is all about this fastback roof, which is beautiful to look at. The only downside is that it makes the back seat narrower, and the term 2+2 really means that 2 in the front, 2 in the back. If this was a hardtop or a sedan, the rear seat is wider. You can get 3 in the back, so it's a 5-seater. So it's a 2+3 anyway. But it's not as cool, not as pretty. It doesn't have this beautiful big back window. And again, fastback styling, which was the fad in Detroit in the 60s, pretty much started right here. Okay, let's open the trunk and see what we find here. Teeth up, oh, teeth down, excuse me, it's not a Mopar. Oh, maybe not, hang on, we get in there. Oh, wrong key. It always has it helps to have the right key. Or not. What's going on here? There we go. Okay. Okay. Inside the trunk, nice presentation. Got the trunk mat, looking good. The red paint is correct inside, all good. Let's take a peek underneath and see what we find here. Yeah, nice. There's the trunk floor. This has been resprayed, the entire car, but again, it is an original J-code Rangoon red. And the top of the gas tank is present, nice and crisp, good colors, correct colors. This does have a Ford 8-inch rear axle, which is the little brother to the 9-inch. Nothing wrong with that. With this automatic and 289, that 8-inch is just fine. And again, it has disc brakes on both ends, which is cool. 15-inch wheels all the way around. So a nice example of a Mustang 2+2, which back in the day, again, 1 in 9 Mustang customers bought the fastback. But today, I'd say they're as popular as a convertible, if not more so. And amongst GT 350 Shelby clone builders, these cars are red hot. as cores upon which to build a Shelby clone. So it's a great example of the first generation, the first of the pony cars from Detroit. Yeah, Barracuda came first by a couple of weeks, but let's all face it, pony cars are called pony cars because of reference to the Ford Mustang, the horse, the pony. Get it? Well, it all started right here. This car can be yours with as little as 10% down. High-Octane Classics also considers trade-ins, late models, classics, bikes, boats, you name it, they'll consider it. And they also deliver cars to your place of work, your school, wherever you'd like. And keep in mind that High-Octane Classics has been in business for 12 years, and they're always looking for employees in sales or service. And as they sell cars, they also replace them. So they will be purchasing cars from 1 to 50. If you have a car you want to sell, give them a call at 508-859-4515. And to learn more about this first of the breed 65 Mustang 2+2, check it out on the High-Octane Classics website.